I do actually think that this will start. It has been running somewhat recently.
All right, I gotta find the keys. They're gone.
Sir, do you need assistance, sir?
Farva.
Farva, where are the keys? They're right there by the shifter there, homie.
Where?
They're hiding behind the transfer case shifter. Ooh. All right, that's it. That's it. That's the final spot. Today is the day. I don't know what date it is, but this is going to be a very
The 8th.
The 8th of what month?
June.
6/8. 6.8.
Wait, what are we putting in?
Or wait, what month? It's 6, right? It's just,
We're putting a 6/8 in.
no, it's not a 6/8. That would have been. We missed it by a few days. We should have taken it out on the 4th, or I don't know what. You know what, guys? This intro is just absolutely. Anyway, boys, welcome back to another video. Today is the day that the engine is coming out of the 05. This Freedom Street Stage 2 has served us so extremely well. Honestly, I'm so excited for the new setup, but I'm also might slightly regret it because this engine setup has been the most fun by far. Do anything, go anywhere, rip some burnouts, go drag race, make a bunch of power, and just keep kicking beyond what it probably should and what Michael's nitrosizing says. But you know what? It has been an insanely awesome engine, but it is time. It is time to move on to bigger and better things. It is time to go faster and hurt more feelings. And we've got our wet deck plate Street Stage 75 over here. That you like how the numbers keep going higher and higher? Like started at like 3.5, then it went to like 40, and now I'm at like, you know, anyway. You guys remember back to when we had this bad boy on the engine dyno at Freedom? She's ready to rip. She is ready to make some power, and we are ready to put it in the 05. Today is the day. So this is where, you know, we got the silver truck being worked on in the background. If you didn't miss that video, go back there. And we've got this one getting worked on right here. So Michael and I today are going to get started on taking the truck apart. It is going to be down for a little while. We are going to be swapping a lot of other things. It's not just a engine swap and go. We're going to be redoing intercooler piping. We've got a new turbo, which you might see in this video. There's going to be some fab work to go along with the new engine to kind of put it in here, make it happy, and sort of stuff. So don't just think we're just really bolt on, bolt off. There's a lot of different things we're going to be doing to enable us to go that much faster, make that much power. We're going to be redoing nitrous stuff as well. Just a lot of changes. This is I don't know what revision makeover we're on with the 05, but this is going to be a fairly big one. So I am just over the moon excited for this day. Anyway, guys, if you guys have not heard, shameless plug of the video. Well, there's actually 2 now that I'm thinking about it. The new Wrenchworks launch is coming up at the end of this month. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Wrenchworks giveaway number 7. And also, I forget the dates. I think it's the 17th and the 19th. Not this weekend, the following weekend. Van Wert, Ohio, the Freedom Truck Meet we will be at as well. So make sure you guys come out to that. It's in Ohio. We're going to be out there hanging out. But yeah, 2 things right there. Anyway. No Dawson out here, no fancy cinematic angles. You know, it's just old school Greg and his cam and one sexy looking Japanese man here helping me. So I even have to edit these videos. Remember, I gotta edit them. All right, so time lapses. Here we go. But we'll catch up, you know, from periodically time to time. But we're ready to dive in. You have any final words there to add to?
She's been good.
Man, like I'm honestly like, if you guys need a do-all engine, you want to make 1,000, you want to make 11, 1,200. I'm not going to advertise over that because John from Freedom might actually try and hurt me. But guys, I'm telling you, this Street Stage 2, the way they've got it set up, such an awesome package. 6.7 engines for the win. Yesterday was 6.7 day, so we're also a day late on that. But hit up the guys at Freedom if you guys are looking for, honestly, super solid setup. 6-minute intro, let's get to work. You literally were just dragging it on the ground, just like walking it like a dog, just like these wires. Trash.
Freaking wires, freaking 0305.
Where we're going, we won't need those wires.
P-pump.
I was just gonna say, we're going to a P-pump, boys. You know, if you really wanted to make some real power, put a mechanical pump on there. I don't even want you. I need you over there, but I don't want you over there because, like, I just know that you're just gonna be like, what hillbilly MFer put these zip tie, like,
Why'd you put one on me with on the beach?
what are you saying over here?
You have to say. No, I don't think that's a good idea, Greg.
No beach driving?
No beach driving.
You want to make a pact?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's it.
Would
You're
like to
agreeing
shake
to
on
no
it?
beach driving?
Would you like to shake on it?
Oh wow! I was gonna say he's the one that would be pushing them forward the most.
Yeah, we're definitely driving on the beach.
Yeah, take your own trip.
Well, the good part is Daytona is no longer a thing, so
What are you talking about? It's this weekend. That's where I'm going. You're not going?
there's tons of people there right now.
Yeah, I know. I also have Instagram.
What's this? Not Picasso.
Doesn't like it.
Inside.
Michael doesn't like anything happening over here. Let's just get that out of the way.
It's good in the firewall.
Okay.
Wait.
You know, this thing did have a stupid little BD box, like, that shuts off overdrive way back in the day.
You think that's what that is?
I don't know. I'm just rattling off things that it
It does kind of go that way. And then it goes up. What's that one?
that's like the main harness. Like, all my connections that are normally here are inside the cowl. You put them where? Doesn't that make them harder to get to? You just turn this job into a...
Michael, are you okay?
Hey, I got this on here.
Breathing deep. Oh, it's beautiful.
Do you want to talk about it? Woosah. Woosah.
What's this?
Rub your ears.
Oh.
Woosah.
You don't want to rub his ears?
Well, no, in the cam I was rubbing his ears.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. That's a nice fish.
This is a nice fish.
Friends, well, there she is. It has finally happened. The engine is out of the 05, sitting here looking just absolutely beautiful. Give you guys a little close-up here, just for a lot of people have been questioned about what we have done with the truck on the injector size. As you can see, these are in fact 100% SNS injectors, 100% overs. 2 stock pumps. I think the way that the pumps are labeled, they're actually on the inside, but 2 stock CP3K FLEECE pumps, 100% overs, T6 manifold, S480, and some nitrous. But super awesome to have accomplished what we have accomplished on this engine. We have pushed it further than we had ever expected it to, but it has been awesome and a real huge deal to run a 590 pass 590 on this engine with the weight that it's at. So super, I couldn't have asked for a more solid engine. I've kind of told you guys that, you guys have known all that, but we hustled, we got the engine out. I did manage to really get my thumb pretty good on getting this bad boy out, but I wouldn't be working on stuff if I did not end up cutting myself. But here she is, boys. She's out. We started getting some parts laid out over here. We're not gonna show you guys that, but engine is out. I don't want to give up too many plans. You're gonna have to stick around and see. We are gonna be working on the 05 quite a bit, along with the silver truck. By the way, guys, air conditioning unit is on. Not both of them, at least one of them, but it is much more cooler in here with even one AC unit working. So keep you guys updated on the shop stuff here. So there she is. Let's go check out all the parts in the back here. A lot of upgrades going to be happening. We will probably end up running a different radiator on the truck. Might do a couple. We're gonna try and knock some more weight out of the truck without going full race truck. Obviously, of course, that's the whole theme, that's the whole goal with the truck, but not full-blown race truck. Still keeping that street, but there is plenty of weight to, potentially shave in a couple different areas in the truck without changing a ton. So we're gonna try and drop a little bit more weight, but intercooler, we're gonna be changing up. Some of these wires are going to be different as well. New fuel, new air. So I'm super excited for this revision, but solid day one, getting everything out, getting lists together, and kind of formulating a game plan on where to go next with the truck. But exciting times, trying to go fast. But anyway, boys, thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button before you leave. Subscribe if you have not already. I will see you guys in the next video very, very soon. Again, mark your calendars. End of this month is Wrenchworks giveaway number 7. Stay tuned. That is it. We are out. I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.